If you want good things, you must truly know that you're doing good things. If there's 1 ounce of distrust in your own ability to do good things, you won't be able to draw clearly good things to you until you come to grips with why you don't truly believe that you're a good person. This life is a mirror. When you stand in front of it, it's just you. No matter how many times you'd like to pull other things into that mirror to say that it's the reason why you're at the location that you're in, you just get you.